Welcome to the Live Wide Open podcast. I'm your host, Randy B. Ramirez, the high performance mentor, and I'm here to lead you to become the best version of yourself. This show raises the bar for all the motorsport enthusiasts. Holding it wide open, it's just what we do. Being a good person is who we are, and living our lives to the fullest is the lifestyle that we choose. Yo, my brother, it's fucking Monday, and I only have one question for you, my friend. Like, are you gonna let this week beat you up? Or are you gonna make this week your fucking bitch? Yo, because look, life doesn't care if you're tired, brother. Life doesn't care if you're angry. Life doesn't care if you're sad. Life doesn't care whatever freaking mood you're in, brother. It doesn't care that last week sucked. It doesn't care that your business has been slow. It doesn't care that your marriage has been challenging. Like, I get it, bro. I'm in there in the same fight. The money feels tight. You've been doubting yourself because things seem like they're on an uphill, icy hill. Like, life keeps swinging at you, brother. And so today, I'm here to tell you, bro, that you have two fucking choices. Either you take another punch, like we've been doing, or we start throwing one back. What is it gonna be? Because around here, my brother, we don't just coast through Mondays. We understand that Mondays set the pace for the entire week, so we fucking attack our Mondays. Let's get it. Yo, look, I'm gonna tell you a little quick story. A few weeks ago, I was out training stoppies, right? And I'm gonna keep it real. Like, mentally, I wasn't there. I actually haven't been there mentally, like, ever since I went over the bars, ever since I flipped a stoppie, ever since I went too much on the front brake and went too high and went over, yo, the confidence just hasn't been the same, bro. Like, it hasn't. It's been challenging. I thought I was gonna be back way faster, way back, rolling some long ones, and I haven't. It's been challenging, dog. And every time that I sit there and I visualize and I go down the road and I fucking do this next attempt and I go and make my run down the lot, like, yo, the little voice consistently shows up. Like, I'm there, I go to the transition, I go to fucking roll a tall stoppie, and then boom, it comes right back. What if it happens again? What if today is not your day? Like, what if you flip again? What if you get hurt this time? What if you get more hurt this time? What if you can't even show up to work? Like, what if? All these what ifs start coming up to mind, right? And then, like, I was like, yo, why the fuck does this keep showing up? And I kept just pondering on it. And then it fucking hit me, bro. Like, look, this isn't fear trying to protect me. Like, yeah, I get it. There's a real fear. I could go over the bars. I could get really hurt. Things could go wrong really fast. And there's that immediate fear, right? But the fear that's been showing up, it's a fear that's been trying to park me. Like, it's a fear that has been trying to keep me small. It's a fear that it fears me fucking pushing past this next level. And it's like, no, hold on. Don't expand right now. And look, and the only reason why I'm getting better today is simply because I keep showing up anyway, despite me feeling tired, despite me feeling scared, despite me not wanting to go train, despite me feeling frustrated after every single training session that I've had lately because I ain't fucking rolling nowhere near where I used to. Like, the fear's just been trying to get me. And it kept showing up and it keeps showing up. And not because, like, I felt like I can't roll that distance anymore. Like, I just haven't felt confident. I haven't felt in my groove. I haven't felt like I've really been pushing the limits because the fear has been holding me back. And then, the other day I've been in my head about this. I'm like, yo, what the fuck's going on? What the fuck's going on? I know I can do this. And I started remembering the mission. I remember my old videos. I started remembering the posture, the height, and yo, little by little, I've been rolling more every training session. I've been rolling rolling taller every training session. And it's just going to show you that it's just happens by you showing up. If you're not willing to show up, it's never going to happen. And brother, that is life right there. The same thing happens in life. Some weeks you're riding smooth, and some weeks you're out there trying to keep the damn bike upright, from fucking falling, from spinning his tires. But either way, you twist the throttle anyways and you give it all you've got. Because if not, life's gonna punch you down. Life's gonna put you down. Life's not gonna let you back up. Life is gonna be less than what you truly can be capable of. And this is why it's important for you to stop trusting your mood. It really is, because your mood will fucking lie to you, dog. Your mood is one of the biggest liars that you're ever gonna meet. Like some mornings you wake up and you're like all fired up, you know what I'm talking about. And then other mornings you're like, yo, you feel like total garbage. You're like, yo, what the fuck's going on? I don't want to do shit. And guess what? Like the thing is that neither of those two feelings will determine what you do. The only thing that determines what you do is the man that you envision yourself in. Because the man that you envision yourself in is the man that you end up showing up as. One who feels motivated, one who will lose but gets right back up, one who falls but gets back up, one who gets punched in the face but gets back up, one who realizes that because he keeps getting back up and because he keeps showing up, the things start evolving, things start clicking, things start changing. And then all of a sudden you feel this change within you. And then you're like, holy fucking shit, I'm back. I'm better than before. Only because you chose not to stop showing up. And this is why I tell all of our fucking wide open warriors out here, bang gears daily, bro. Daily. Every single fucking day. We work on our mind, we work on our spirit, we work on our bodies, we work on our relationships, we work on our legacy, and of course, we work on our fucking passions, dog. Some days, all 6 gears feel amazing, and that is the goal. Hit every fucking gear, every fucking day, and feel amazing. But then other days, bro, it's okay. First gear is all you got. And you could beat yourself up about it, or you could learn and you could see that this is a long-term game. We're doing a fucking marathon right here. And so good, embrace it, shift into first, and then keep moving forward. And then the next day, shift into second. And then the next day, maybe go 3, 4, 5. And the next day, you hit all 6. And maybe you trip up again, but you keep showing up and you keep moving forward. And forward, as long as you keep the intention where it's at, and you keep showing up, and you realize that it ain't gonna be fucking easy, dog, you will go upward. Your trajectory will go upward. I promise you that when you zoom in, it's like, holy fucking shit, I'm not even improving. But when you zoom out and you see the trajectory over 6 months, over 12 months, over 24 months, you're like, oh, bro, dog, this shit has been on fire. I've actually been improving, all because I decided to not give up. And so, bro, flip the script immediately, dog. Don't let it get you. Don't let it put you down and go into this negative spiral of negative thought patterns. Like, here's something that changed my life, brother. Like, the faster that you catch yourself, we all have these negative thought patterns. It's crazy to me how easily we go down these fucking negative rabbit holes. It's so easy, dog. But look, the faster that you catch yourself going down these little rabbit holes of negative emotions, the faster you win, dog. Bad meeting? Good, catch it. Argument with your wife? Good, catch it. Customer complains or he cancels? Good, catch it right there. Your motor blows? Good, catch it. I promise you that after the 4th or the 5th one, you're gonna be like, it's just part of the process. And so look, every average person lets one bad moment ruin their whole day. Like, this is what keeps average men average. But a warrior, a wide open warrior, we know that we need to interrupt the story. And the faster that we interrupt the story and that we reframe it, the faster we get back to work, the faster we get back to killing it, the faster we get back to being on our grind, in our groove, feeling like we're on fire, dog. And you ain't gonna be saying, oh my God, the whole day is ruined just because of this one moment. You realize that that one moment did not ruin your day. And you're like, holy shit, the old me would have folded by now. The old me would have been all emotional by now. The old me would have been all acting like a little bitch. But not this new me. I'm becoming stronger. I'm becoming different. I'm becoming better. And the difference, dog, the difference is that you decided to show up. You decided to do what you wanted to do, to do what you needed to do, despite you not wanting to do what you needed to do. but you did it. And so your brain will always be listening to you making those uncomfortable decisions. That, my brother, it will fucking improve your life. I promise you it will, dog. I promise you. So remember why you started on this journey in the first place. I can't tell you, like, I've been on this 1,000-day journey and it's felt great, 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 great. And for some reason, on this 75 percentage that I'm in right now, 75, 80 percentage, I'm like on day 797 or something like that, 798. Dog, it's felt fucking massively challenging lately. And I really have had to remember why I started. Because life's felt heavy, life's felt challenging. I feel like things have been going really challenging for me. But you know what? I'm looking at it as like, yo, I'm just breaking through a new level that I've never been at. That's why it feels like that. And most men, we forget the mission. We forget why we started. We start chasing the comfort. We start, you know what, bro, that's dangerous. No, bro, you know what? Yeah, I can't right now, bro. It just doesn't feel right. Brother, comfort has never built a dangerous man. Purpose, drive, going after what you want. That is what builds a dangerous man. And so remember why you started. Remember why you started working out. Remember why you started the business. Remember why you quit fucking drinking. Remember why you're trying to become a better husband. Remember why you even ride a motorcycle in the first place. It's never even about the motorcycle. It's about that the bike reminds us of who we are. Focused man, driven man, being present, disciplined, alive, knowing that every twist of that throttle, it reminds us that we weren't made to live a soft life. We were made to live a wide open life. Your family deserves the best version of you, brother. Your family doesn't need a comfortable man. They need a dependable fucking man. Your wife needs a man to show up whenever she needs him to. Your wife doesn't need a perfect man. She needs a consistent man. Your kids don't need excuses. Your kids need a role model for them to look at and see, holy shit, my dad, that motherfucker is about the fucking game. He ain't just about the talk. He is about the walk. So stop negotiating with yourself. Wake up, brother, and remember the mission, dog. Remember it. And I promise you, long term, you keep focusing on the long-term game. 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months, 36 months. Keep focusing on the long-term game and you will improve, dog. It's been happening. I'm living testimony of this shit. So, brother, look, life is going to keep testing you. Realize that it's not a punishment. Realize that that's preparation. That L wasn't a loss. That L was a lesson. Steel doesn't become strong by avoiding heat. Steel becomes strong because of the heat. So maybe this week is exactly what you need. Like, not because it's easy, but because it's going to reveal the man that you're becoming. So think about it like this. I got one question for you. What's one excuse that you've been holding on to that ends today, bro? We all have an excuse. We all have, I feel like we all become professional excuse makers at times, if I'm being fucking real with you. But what is that one excuse that lately it's been on your fucking mind and it's just been showing up and it ends today? And my challenge is really just for this next week, I want you to stop complaining. I want you to stop giving in to that little bitch. No complaining, not even once. Every time that something goes wrong, replace your first reaction with good. Now let's get to fucking work. And I promise you, time after time after time, it's gonna get easier. And it's not really because it got easier, it's just really because you got better. And so remember this, brother. Your week isn't decided on Monday mornings. Yes, it's fucking Monday. But the week is decided by the man you choose to become every single fucking day. And so life, it doesn't get to decide your attitude. You decide your fucking attitude. Now quit waiting for life to feel ready. Let's bang some fucking gears. Let's lead your fucking family. Let's honor God and attack your mission, dog. Let's fucking get it. Yo, I'm driving the checkered flag deep into the ground, claiming victory for every single wide open warrior that's out there. My brother, this is your wake-up call. Break the chains, step out of the average, and become that badass motherfucker that you were born to be. This Live Wide Open movement isn't just a podcast. This is a mission that God has stamped in my heart, and helping you rise is the purpose I live for. So lock this shit in and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another episode. And yo, if today's message it lit that fire in your chest, my brother, then don't you dare keep this shit to yourself. Fuel another brother. Send this to another motorhead. Send this to another gearhead. Send this to another brother who is hungry for more. Because the truth of the matter is that building a better life for your family is non-fucking negotiable. It's time to get up, it's time to lock in, and it's time to get to fucking work, dog. Wide open is the fucking way. Let's go.